and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government postpones appointment of State Information Commissioner. No consensus among the committee on 2 names. 4 names shortlisted in Thursday meeting. Dilip Parulekar rejects demand of stepping down from his post of Tourism Minister. Parulekar confident that he will pay appropriate value for the plot. Whichever party agrees to offer me ticket should agree to my medium of instruction policy. Vishnu responds to NCP's challenge of adhering to their party's medium of instruction policy. BJP leaders evade MOPA debates. South Goa BJP candidate Narendra Sawoykar absent. Miki Pacheco and Reginald press for scrapping MOPA project. And GCCI claims PCs and tablets proving to be a distraction. GCCI recommends withdrawal of tablet scheme as there is no IT infrastructure in schools. And now the news in detail. Goa government had shortlisted 10 names for the post of State Information Commissioner. 47 aspiring candidates had applied for the post. As per sources, the committee appointed to decide on the candidates had no consensus even on a single name. The committee held a meeting on Thursday to finalize the candidate. However, there was no consensus. Earlier, government had rejected appointed candidates due to a controversy. Goa government had shortlisted 10 names for the post of State Information Commissioners. 47 aspiring candidates had applied for the post. As per the sources, the committee appointed to decide on the candidates had no consensus even on a single name. The committee held a meeting on Thursday to finalize the candidate. However, there was no consensus. Earlier, government had rejected appointed candidates due to a controversy. As per sources, names of 2 candidates from the 4 were selected earlier too, journalist Sandesh Prabhudesai and senior officer of India Civil Service Stanley Coutinho. However, the other 2 names are still not known. The other 8 candidates are as follows: Ashok Kumar Vasnik, Sudhin Sangorkar, Nagesh Kolwalkar, S.G. Marathe, Andy Agarwal, Juino D'Souza, Sanjay Daulikar and V.K. Jha. Sources also informed that opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane had many objections to the selection process. He questioned government on what criteria government has selected the 10 candidates. However, government had no reply. Hence, the selection process for the State Information Commissioner would be completed after the Lok Sabha poll. Bureau Report, Prudent. Dilip Parulekar has rejected the demand of stepping down from his post of Tourism Minister. This is in the wake of recent judgment of the High Court holding regularization of a plot of Comunidad land as illegal. Dilip Parulekar is confident that the land will be regularized in his favor after paying the appropriate value for the land. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar is not anxious about the recent judgment of the High Court questioning regularization of plot of 599 square meter land belonging to Comunidad of Cerula. The High Court in its judgment has directed that value of the encroached land will have to be fixed based upon its value at the time of encroachment plus 10% augmentation each year until the date of payment. Parulekar claimed that the judgment is actually in his favor.
वो judgment माझ्या फावरार राहिला आणि तातूंत मातूय दुबाव ना पूण हांव तुमकां इतकेंच सांगीन की जे कोमुनिदादीक आनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह नॉर्थ गोवा आसा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर एका डायरेक्शन केल्लें आसा की त्या वेळाचो जो रेट आसा हो रेट चार्ज करून म्हाजे कडल्यान एक जो प्रोसेस लॅप्स जाल्लो ती सरकाराक फायल धाडपाची हो प्रोसेस करून घेवचो आनी सगळें कॅल्क्युलेशन केल्या नंतर माझ्या माहिती प्रमाणे हांवें जे आतां डिस्कशन म्हाज्या एडवोकेटा कडेन केलें हांवें पयशे सुबेज भरलेले आहा आनी हे जे डिपार्टमेंट आहा जावं कोमुनिदाद आसूं किंवा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर नॉर्थ आसूं हांच्यांनी म्हाका पैसे परते दिवचे पडटले इतके एक्स्ट्रा पैसे एज पर गव्हर्नमेंट रेट हांवें भरलेले आसा.
Parulekar also rejected the demand of his resignation from his post of tourism minister, saying that he is an elected representative.
हो माझे रेजिग्नेशन मागता हो कोण तरी हांवें टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट सोडचें पडचें म्हणटा. ह्या सरकाराक जेन्ना 2 वर्सां पयलीं मॅन्डेट दिलो हे सरकार चलोवपाक दिल्लो आसा आनी आमी बरे भशेन सरकार चलोवपाचो प्रश्न करता.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar and Mayur Naik for Prudent. My stand on medium of instruction issue is clear. Whichever party agrees will give me ticket. Rest shouldn't offer me ticket with conditions. This is clear-cut reply of BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh to NCP's offer. Wagh also said that he has not left the Bharatiya Janata Party as yet, and as such, there is no question of thinking about contesting Lok Sabha poll. Vishnu also criticized North Goa MP Shripad Naik.
विष्णू वाघाचेर तुम्ही कंडिशन घालनाकात. माध्यम प्रश्नाचेर माझी भूमिका हांवें एकदां स्पश्ट केल्या. ती जाका मान्य आहा तोच म्हाका आपयतलो किंवा तोच म्हाका टिकेट दितलो किंवा तो म्हाका राव म्हणून सांगतलो. तेणी म्हाका सांगूं येता. पूण हें अशें केल्यार हें सोडून यो तें सोडून यो म्हणून विष्णू वाघाक सांगपाची गरज ना. हांवें अजून BJP सोडूंकूच ना. म्हणटकच दुसऱ्या खंयच्याय पक्षान वचपाचो प्रश्नूच येना. म्हाजें सद्या पक्षा कडेन झगडें चालू आसा तें म्हाज्या एका धोरणात्मक निर्णया वयल्यान. तेजे बद्दल हांवें अजून कांय ठरोवंकूच ना. म्हाजे बरोबर खंय कोणें उलोवप केलां हांव डिनाय करता उलोवप कोणें केलें जाल्यार. विष्णू वाघाक पक्षाचें पडूना. विष्णू वाघाक तत्वाचें आनी धोरणाचें पडलां. माध्यम प्रश्नाचेर म्हाजें धोरण सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. तें चेंज करून म्हाका जर कोण यो म्हणत जाल्यार ते मुर्खाच्या नंदनान वावरतात. हें पळय म्हाज्या धोरणा मुखार म्हाका खासदारकी सुद्दां म्हत्वाची दिसना. 15 वर्सां तो दिल्लीन रावलो. 15 वर्सां दिल्लीन रावल्लो खंयचोय नेतो आज नॅशनल लिडर जावपाचो कोतान. तेका 2-3 राज्याचो तरी प्रभारी म्हणून काम पडपाचें. तेजो एक स्ट्रेचर इतलो व्हडलो जावपाचो. पूण तेजे श्रीपाद भाऊजी म्हाका काकूट दिसता. तेका कशें हमाल कसो वापरून घेता.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.